I'm Aniya.Cierra, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a mess, but I'm about to do my hair, so y'all gonna see me look better by the end of this video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do a slick ponytail. So the things you will need: this Shine and Jam, a brush. This one has two sides. I'm gonna be using the soft side though. The gel I always use. I also have a spray bottle. So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is just wet my middle part to lay it down. Next I'm about to use some gel. I'm also gonna put gel on the front. I remember now why I don't use this brush, because the other end gets stuck on my hair. Okay, now that I brushed the gel in, I'm about to go in with some jam and do the exact same thing I did with the gel, which is just put it on the middle part and my front. It doesn't look like I did anything to my hair, but I just brushed my hair. I feel like this is the flattest I'm gonna get it. To get it flat, you just gotta keep brushing it down. I keep just adding jam and brushing it down. See how I just keep brushing it down? That's how you get it flat. Okay, what you wanna do next is grab all your hair. I just popped my hair tie. Good thing I got another one. I feel like this is the flattest I'm gonna get it at the top. For my edges, I'm using the same jam. The key to ponytails is to tie it down. I have my scarf. I'm about to show y'all how I tie it down real quick. So what you want to do is put it in a triangle and then put the triangle like over your head like this, and you tie it in the back of your head. Tie it in the back of your head and then go to the front and tie it. Y'all know I love ending my videos vlog style, so that's what I'm doing. I'm about to take my scarf off and show y'all what it looks like. I've had this scarf on for like 4 minutes now. When you take your scarf off, you might have to fluff your hair out a little. Video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, the products I use will also be linked in the description below. Also, don't forget to follow my social media. See you guys next time. Bye.